just gonna do a little bit of commuting. Because in about 40 minutes I've got class. So your boy is running late as usual. Kinda got carried away on Instagram today. Had me shower when I woke up, hopped on my phone for a few seconds to check my emails, because yeah, uni likes sending me updates as to COVID clusters and stuff, so it's good to know what classes are currently a problem, essentially, if you are in those classes, to not show up and do your studies remotely. So, little fun fact, so far I haven't been given any updates as to any of my classes having any close contact issues and all that, so that's kind of good for me. Doggo, so fluffy. Yeah, so no close contacts, don't need to worry about too much. It'll be all good for me to head on over to class. And yeah, been recently talking to my brother, and poor bugger's actually got himself into the shitter a little bit, because he's got himself COVID. He and his missus, well, can't say missus, his wife, yeah, they caught COVID, but they're over in Melbourne, so they're yonkadonks away from us. And I believe at the moment, Melbourne and Sydney, it's just beyond a bloody joke with the amount of COVID cases that's going on there. So I am gonna have to trot through this garbage of traffic to get even remotely close to where I need to be. And it is horrifying, this traffic. Hopefully when these roadworks are finally done, it'll help ease this congestion, because it is bad. Oh, it seems like this little old trucko is the one that's causing the slow flow of traffic. Seriously? Fuel light? I thought you had enough fuel in you. God damn it. You thirsty little bitch. Another downside of construction. There's always gunk and junk on the road, especially around where they're doing English, holy shit. Sanding or sand compacting and cementing. That's usually the worst part, because they need to use water, so it turns sludgy. So my dumb ass, with my not realizing that after I remove my tail tidy kit, everything flicks up onto the lights essentially, which is really inconvenient, because the light being smooth material and the cement stuff being highly corrosive, yeah, it starts to eat through the damn thing, and if you don't clean it off straight away. And being that I'm at uni, 9 times out of 10 I'm having to wait until I get home, essentially, from after classes. Oy, oy, oy. Brother, there's a green light. Keep it flowing, please. I don't even have the leg room to go up in a second. Holy crap. Oh. Traffic's bad. But yeah, cement, really not good for anything plasticky on vehicles, because that shit will eat through anything. Gotta love it when people don't know what lane they need to be in when they come in close to the turnoff, because it causes such a headache on the road. Anywho, I'm getting pretty close to uni, so I will probably cut it here because I ain't got nothing much to say. So alrighty, let's get to it, everybody. Time to head home. Another productive day at the Mercenary University. So, uber productive a day. Got a whole bunch of research done and a whole bunch of other jazz done. So, I am in somewhat of a good-ish standing for the next couple of weeks to make sure that I am not behind on any of my units, but tracking quite well. Now, the one thing I did forget about was the fact that I need to fill up gas. Oy, oy, oy. This is going to be an expensive trip. Because from what I've seen, gas is stupid expensive at the moment. I think it was like $2.24 a litre. And good God. Looks like I'm going to be heading into the $30 price range for my full tank. Which is, yeah, no bueno. That shit will whackety whack. Yeah. So, for those who don't know, I am studying to be a game designer. Essentially what that means is, that's not exactly what it means. So my major is, or the degree is in Bachelor of Design, Animation Game Design, with a specialization in graphics design. So your boy's trying to hit a very wide market. Oh my God. That was nearly a bloody rear end because little Miss Shorty Pants couldn't see over her window. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing at uni. Graphics design and game design. Because, yeah, I want somewhat of a wider umbrella to cover essentially the things that I like doing. And the things that I like doing is being creative, designing things, and, well, what better way to do those things than, well, make video games, essentially. It's the most optimum way of going about it, I guess. So I'm learning how to do all that jazz. As for what it offers me at the end of it, essentially I can work in any of the following fields, from marketing, marketing, then not business analyst, but analysts for like marketing research and doing marketing research, essentially. Starting and maintaining marketing campaigns for businesses, that kind of jazz. Making video games, being an animator for movies, TV shows, games. Learning how to make different kinds of games. The theory of what goes into making a well-comprised game. And quite a few other little bits and bobs essentially in that general area. Yeah, so I'll end it a bit there. Thank you for always being awesome people and returning to my videos and listen to me yap about random stuff that I like, dislike, passionate, dispassionate about. Oh, that's a pothole. And yeah, thanks for sticking around and continuing to do so, and I hope to catch y'all in the next one. And obviously, I know it doesn't need to be said, but please, if you find yourself coming back to my channel or finding yourself on my channel quite frequently, drop me a sub and drop me a little tick on that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Peace. Love you to bits. Catch you in the next one. Deuces.